Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to revitalize and repair your hair, no matter how dry, frizzy, or overprocessed it may be. We're diving into the KEVIN.MURPHY Repair-Me-Rinse Hair Repair Conditioner. This is a sulfate-free, hydrating treatment designed to breathe new life into your strands. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The KEVIN.MURPHY Repair-Me-Rinse is specifically designed for deep hair repair. It's meant for those who are dealing with dryness, frizz, or hair that's been a little too well loved by styling tools or chemical treatments. This conditioner is packed with proteins and enzymes that help nourish, strengthen, and repair hair from the inside out. And the best part? It's sulfate and paraben-free, which is always a bonus for anyone trying to keep their hair care routine as gentle and natural as possible. When it comes to performance, the Repair-Me.Rinse conditioner certainly delivers. After incorporating it into my routine, I noticed my hair feeling more hydrated and less frizzy almost immediately. The texture of the product itself is smooth and rich without being heavy. I applied it generously after shampooing, and it left my hair feeling incredibly soft and easy to manage, even before I styled it. It's worth mentioning that the KEVIN.MURPHY conditioner is well suited to all hair types. Whether you have fine, coarse, curly, or straight hair, this conditioner aims to work its magic. I found that it worked wonders on my mid-length, color-treated hair, providing much-needed nourishment and shine without weighing it down. As for the scent, it's lightly fragrant, but not overpowering, which I really appreciate. The fresh, clean smell doesn't linger too long, so it doesn't interfere with any other fragrances you might be wearing. The main pros of this product are its hydrating power, the ability to restore shine, and the fact that it's gentle on all hair types, thanks to its sulfate-free formula. It's also cruelty-free, which is a huge plus for conscious consumers. On the flip side, there are a few considerations. One downside is the price. It's definitely on the higher end for a conditioner, but considering the quality of the ingredients and the results, I do think it justifies the cost. However, if you're on a budget, there may be more affordable alternatives that offer similar benefits. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and user-friendly. The bottle is large, making it a great option for long-term use or for those who have thick or long hair that requires more product. As for how long the benefits last, this is a conditioner that offers a cumulative effect. After several uses, my hair felt stronger and more hydrated, and the shine was noticeably improved. The results lasted through the week, and I didn't find myself needing to apply extra products to keep my hair looking healthy. If you're considering whether KEVIN.MURPHY Repair-Me-Rinse is worth the price, it's a tough one. On one hand, it does deliver real, visible results and is formulated with high-quality, effective ingredients. On the other hand, there are more budget-friendly options available that provide similar hydration and frizz control, but perhaps not with the same luxury feel or ingredient profile. If you want to splurge and treat your hair to something really nourishing, this conditioner is an excellent choice. But if you're looking for something more affordable, there are still plenty of great options out there that can deliver solid results. So, does the Repair-Me.Rinse conditioner live up to its claims? For the most part, yes. It hydrates, repairs, and adds shine to your hair, exactly what it promises. If you've got dry, damaged, or frizzy hair that needs some TLC, this conditioner could be the hero product you're looking for. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest beauty products. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.